When it comes to maintaining a comfortable home in Washington, D.C. and Rockville, one of the most important factors is energy efficiency. With fluctuating temperatures, hot summers, and cold winters, it's essential to have windows that not only look good but also function well. While choosing high-quality windows is crucial, the way they are installed plays an even more significant role in boosting your home's energy efficiency. Proper window installation ensures that your windows perform at their best, minimizing energy loss and keeping your home comfortable year-round. In this article, we'll explore how proper window installation contributes to energy efficiency and why it's a smart investment for homeowners in DC and Rockville. Proper sealing prevents air leaks. One of the primary ways that windows contribute to energy efficiency is by sealing out drafts. Air leaks around the window frame are one of the most common culprits for energy loss in a home. If your windows aren't installed correctly, gaps and cracks may form around the edges, allowing warm air to escape during the winter and cool air to escape during the summer. Proper installation involves carefully sealing the window to ensure no air can pass through. This includes sealing the gaps between the window frame and the wall with high-quality caulking and weather stripping. Without this step, your home's HVAC system will have to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature, leading to increased energy consumption and higher utility bills. In Washington, D.C., where winter temperatures can dip well below freezing and summers can bring sweltering heat, proper window sealing is essential to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment and preventing energy waste. Insulation around the window frame. In addition to properly sealing the window itself, insulation around the window frame plays a significant role in boosting energy efficiency. When windows are installed, the space between the window frame and the wall should be insulated to prevent heat transfer. Without proper insulation, this space can become a conduit for air infiltration, further compromising the window's energy efficiency. Professional installers use materials like foam insulation or fiberglass batt to fill these gaps and create a thermal barrier. Insulating around the window frame helps maintain the temperature inside your home by preventing drafts and reducing the strain on your heating and cooling system. This is especially important in areas like Rockville, where homes may be exposed to extreme weather conditions. Reducing heat transfer with proper window placement. The installation of windows isn't just about fitting them into the frame. It's also about placing them in the most energy-efficient way possible. In DC and Rockville, proper window placement can optimize natural light and heat gain during the colder months, while minimizing solar heat gain during the summer. For example, windows that face south tend to receive the most sunlight during the day, making them an ideal location for energy-efficient windows with low E coatings. A professional installer will ensure that windows are oriented and placed to maximize daylight while minimizing energy loss. By optimizing the placement of windows based on your home's design and the direction of sunlight, you can take advantage of passive heating in the winter and reduce the need for artificial lighting. This not only boosts energy efficiency but also makes your home more comfortable. Choosing the right windows for your home. While proper installation is critical, choosing the right windows for your specific needs in DC or Rockville is just as important. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to help regulate indoor temperature, reduce heat transfer, and block harmful UV rays. Double or triple pane windows, for instance, feature layers of glass separated by gas fills like argon or krypton, which provide additional insulation and help keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. When selecting new windows, make sure to choose windows that are ENERGY STAR certified for optimal energy performance. The right windows, combined with expert installation, will improve the insulation and reduce air leakage, resulting in significant energy savings. Properly installed windows save you money. Proper window installation may require an upfront investment, but it pays off in the long run. When windows are installed correctly, they help prevent energy loss, which reduces the strain on your HVAC system. As a result, you'll notice lower heating and cooling costs over time. In fact, energy-efficient windows and proper installation can lead to savings of up to 30% on your energy bills. For homeowners in Washington, D.C. and Rockville, where the climate can vary dramatically throughout the year, investing in energy-efficient windows and ensuring they are properly installed is a smart way to maintain comfort while saving money. Improved comfort and air quality. Proper window installation not only saves money but also improves the comfort and air quality in your home. Well-installed windows ensure that your home stays comfortable year-round by maintaining a consistent temperature. This reduces the occurrence of drafts, hot spots, and cold areas within your home. Additionally, by sealing out drafts and improving insulation, you also help prevent moisture buildup around your windows, which can lead to mold growth and poor indoor air quality. Proper installation ensures that your home remains both comfortable and healthy. Long-term durability. Lastly, when windows are installed correctly, they are more durable and will last longer. Improperly installed windows can suffer from issues such as water infiltration, frame warping, or glass breakage, which can compromise their energy efficiency over time. By investing in professional installation, you ensure that your windows will continue to perform optimally for years, offering long-term savings on both energy bills and repairs. Conclusion. Proper window installation is a crucial element in boosting energy efficiency in homes throughout Washington, D.C. and Rockville. By ensuring that windows are sealed, insulated, and installed correctly, you can reduce air leaks, optimize temperature control, and improve your home's overall comfort. With the right windows and professional installation, you can enjoy lower energy costs, a more sustainable home, and long-term savings. Don't underestimate the importance of proper window installation. It's an investment that will pay off for years to come.